My first notebook on Evernote for today is called Updating Grapes. It's updating the teaching of the Grapes of Wrath. My first note here is basically an outline of an introduction I would give to students, explaining the relevance of the novel to today's society and today's classroom. My second note here is actually a clip from an article that I got a lot of inspiration from on some assignment ideas I had for the teaching of the Grapes of Wrath. And here the teacher that wrote this article actually wanted to make a website with his students, so he developed these different areas like books, artifacts, and the rest of these areas for the students to find information for, and then a small group of students would actually make the website. I thought that was like a really good idea, but that would take a lot of work. And here I had some of my own ideas about how to update the teaching of the Grapes of Wrath and like the assignments people usually assign. Look into current issues, we look into music, Bruce Springsteen's song Ghost of Tom Joad, and Rage Against the Machine's cover. I actually have both of those clipped here because that is something that I would like to show to my students when teaching this novel, just to give them something cool to look forward to. My next notebook is titled Intercalary Chapters, and it actually is something that I'm really excited about teaching because it's very unique. I have an introduction, like an outline that I would give to students, and then I have an example clipped from the actual book itself of the chapter 1, first intercalary chapter, and how to identify an intercalary chapter. And here I have talking about little assignment. It's the famous turtle chapter, chapter 3. And I have some assignment ideas, including filming a chapter, and I actually have an example of a filmed intercalary chapter, because I think that would be a really cool assignment idea. It'd be very unique, and that's my Evernote notes for you today. Thank you.